Hi everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse, and we've got today's top 5 plants, and today we are highlighting neon colored plants. So we've had some petunias open just the last couple of days that are so bright and so neon colored. So the first one we're showing you, it's just a teeny plant, but it's got this beautiful bloom. It's called Petunia mandarin. So the Petunias, let's tell you how big they're gonna get. They are going to grow 20 to 25 centimeters tall and 25 to 30 wide. So they're not particularly going to wave out. 30 centimeters, about a foot or so. So they're more the mounding type. If you put 4 of these in a 12-inch hanging basket or a planter, they give you a nice mushroom cloud, but not necessarily spilling and waving like a wave. So beautiful color, and that's the thing, some of these really striking colors, they're not as aggressive growing plant, but these colors are stunning. So Petunia mandarin, I love it. Our next item for our neon series is the beautiful Durabloom watermelon petunia, and it is so bright. It is the brightest pink petunia that we have, and I've used this in a lot of baskets and I really love it. Our next petunia is the Hello Yellow. This is called Capella Hello Yellow. We use the 2 of these to make our curb appeal basket, and they are so brilliant. It truly looks neon, and this yellow is definitely the brightest yellow petunia we have. It does not wave out particularly. We do have a lighter yellow if you're looking for one that gets really big and aggressive. But this is definitely neon. All the petunias grow fantastic in full sun. They can really take the heat. If you have an area with less sun, like part sun, maybe it only gets morning sun, as long as 6 hours of sunlight will touch the leaf throughout the day, maybe a couple hours in the morning, couple hours at night, as long as it's at least reaching 6 hours, these plants will still thrive. So the next item is another one in the orange tones. This one is called Petunia Flower Shower Golden Harvest. Now this is super neon around the edge and fades into the middle with more of a burnt orange color. Just to compare from the Petunia mandarin, they are different in tones, but definitely both still neon. And our 5th item for today's top 5 is this petunia called Crazy Tunia Pink Flamingo, and that is definitely highlighter yellow right there in the middle. And such a bright pink surrounding it. It almost looks like little hearts of pink. It is so cute. Look at that, that looks like a heart. And again, they're going to be more the mounding type, not the trailing, but these are such unique colors. It doesn't matter if they're not trailing, they're just so pretty. I am stunned though by that mandarin. It is so pretty. So we do have these all in store. They're younger. Mind you, they can't really go out until the end of May, but I want to show you how much they're rooted, or really how much they're not really rooted in yet, just so you have an idea that these are not quite ready. They're just getting roots to the bottom of the container. Once those roots hit the bottom, the plant really bulks up. So until that happens, it will be a little bit smaller. And the way to bulk it up, I think, a little quicker is to let it dry out between watering. So it's raining today. They did get a water today, but they probably won't get a water tomorrow in an effort to help dry that out. Just give them the water they need every day in the greenhouse anyway, so our humidity doesn't get too high. But I think it's beautiful, and if you want to add this to your garden, we've got them in stock. Thanks for watching today's top 5 plants. See you tomorrow.